what extent corporate tax policy changes impact on the risk level of Vietnam's software and hardware companies? The global financial crisis from 2007 to 2011 had significant impacts on many economies, including Vietnam. This study looks at how changes in tax policy affected the market risk of companies in Vietnam's hardware and software industry, which became an important topic during this challenging period. By analyzing 22 publicly listed technology firms using common financial models, we measured two key indicators of market risk: asset beta and equity beta. We tested how these risk levels changed under three different tax rates: 20%, 25%, and 28%. The results showed that the average equity beta values, which indicate the risk faced by investors, were quite stable, ranging from 0.725 to 0.746, with the lowest risk at a 25% tax rate. These values were lower than those of companies in Vietnam's construction industry. Interestingly, when tax rates increased from 20% to 25%, the average equity beta decreased, meaning slightly lower risk to shareholders. However, the risk increased again at the 28% tax rate. The opposite pattern was seen for asset beta. Overall, the findings can help businesses and policymakers better understand how tax policies influence financial risk and support more informed decisions in economic and corporate governance. Introduction. As Vietnam's economy grows, the hardware and software industry plays an increasingly important role by contributing positively to both the economy and society. This paper is organized into several sections for easy understanding. First, it explains the research questions and previous studies. Then, it introduces the methods and theories used. After that, it describes the data and shows the results of the analysis. The paper also looks at financial risks, discusses what the findings mean, and finally offers some suggestions for government policy. At the end, there are helpful references, charts, and online resources for readers who want more details. Conclusion. This study looks at how economic factors like inflation, GDP, and tax rates affect the construction and construction materials industry in Vietnam. In 2008, inflation was high, but it dropped in 2009 and rose slightly again in 2010 and 2011. GDP showed some ups and downs, especially in 2009. The government has been improving legal systems, policies, and capital support to help this sector grow. Among the industries studied, this one had the highest variation in market risk but the lowest average risk overall. Changes in tax rates slightly influenced risk levels, but the impact was not dramatic. If taxes go up or down, the changes in company risk remain relatively small. The study suggests that the government can manage economic outcomes through a mix of tax policy and spending. It also offers insights for policymakers, economists, and investors looking to understand and respond to market trends in Vietnam. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.